Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline width property. And right now we'll be specifically talking about the CSS outline width property along with medium value. This medium value, don't you forget, it is representing 3 pixel value, which is 3px. So I'm going to be using this medium value now just because I don't want to use 3 pixel. I don't want to show this 3 pixel. I just want to use the medium. So back to our document and see what we got. We are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS outline width property along with the thin value, and this is our thin value. You can check our previous tutorial on it, and the thin is representing 1 pixel. But now I'm going to change this to medium value. When I change this to medium value, let's save our document and see what we got. Now let me reload. Can you see this one is increased to 3 pixel immediately? So this 3 pixel I think is the default value. The medium value is the default value of our outline width property. Let's say for instance now when I remove this outline width property finally and I reload my document, let's see what will happen. Can you see nothing changes? No changes at all. But when I bring it back and I give it another value aside medium, let's say I give it thin value, like in our previous tutorial I give it thin value. When I reload our document now, can you see it's changed to thin value? So let's say for instance now you can increase this also. You can just give it 20 pixel. When you give it 20 pixel, it will increase beyond medium. Can you see it increased beyond medium? So when I want to, just because I want to have 3 pixel, I don't want to write 3px, so I can just write medium. When I write medium, it's going to come back to the 3 pixel level. When I reload, can you see now I'm having 3 pixel level? And when you don't want to use this 3 pixel level, you just want to use the 3 pixel physically, you can just specify it like that and reload your document. It's still going to be the same. And if you don't want to be specifying this 3 pixel, definitely you should know that by default the default value of this outline width property is 3 pixel. When you reload, it's also 3 pixel. So that's what I want to show you guys, and we can use this in the body element also. Let's change our body element also to 3 pixel. Let's give it medium. When we give it medium value, let's reload our document. Can you see it's also the same size? So and we can increase it or decrease it if you want also. Let's give it 24. So you can let's give it 24 pixel, so you can see what I'm talking about. When I reload, can you see? But when I give it medium, when I bring it down, it's going to bring it down to 3 pixel. And when I use 3 pixel, when I specify 3 pixel and reload my document, can you see the same thing occurs? No changes. So we can use the medium like this and reload. And and you are trying to use medium, you may not even need to use it again because by default is on medium. So when I save my document without the outline width property, can you see now we are having our medium value there by default. As you can see inside my outline right here, I'm not using any outline width property, just to short our code just in case you need to use something. So as you can see, we are just having our outline star and the offset only. Right here also outline star and the offset only. We are not using the outline width property at all because we love the 3 pixel that is there by default. So please, I want you guys to practice this very well. Anwar, akorede, ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day.